Hello and welcome to Rotary Rockets. Tonight we have something very special for you. Recently, we've launched the 6th rocket of our Eliminator series. We could have taken all the photos and videos from the launch, added some dramatic music like what we've done many times before. But instead, we decided to do something a bit different this time. We hope you find this entertaining, so please, enjoy the premiere of CSI Rocketry.
It happened again.
Figure it out.
I really want to know. Come on, tell me who are you? Hello, Striker.
Never thought I'd see you again, especially after what you did in St. Louis.
I did nothing wrong in St. Louis and you know it.
You stole my nose cone.
That was my nose cone. I made it. You only painted it.
What are you here for?
I need you for a job.
I told you I was never getting back into rockets.
I need you for a job.
My daughter's getting married tomorrow.
I need you for a job.
I can't get involved. It's Taco Tuesday.
I need you for a job.
All right, you got me. I'm in.
Striker, here's everything we've got. I'm gonna need that satellite footage. Can you hack into the military satellite system?
I don't know about that, Chief.
Dang it! You're the best! I need that footage. Can you do it or not?
Yeah, I'll do it.
Alright, I'll be in my office. Call me when you have something.
You don't have to be so mean about it. Chief, I got something.
What do you got, Striker?
I suspect sabotage.
Surely you must be kidding.
I'm not kidding, and stop calling me Shirley. Look, there's a problem with the flight path.
Let me see that. Alright, let's go. I know just who we need to find. And the doctor said, I don't know, I never saw the monkey again.
I got him!
We know you were at the launch, Dr. Haynes. Tell us what you saw. Oh, tough guy not gonna talk, huh? I know how to make you talk.
No, Chief. I know how to make him talk.
You guys got nothing on me. I wasn't even there.
This guy doesn't know anything. He's just a puppet for a bigger organization. Let's get out of here. Go ahead. Yep. Uh-huh. Yep. Yeah. Yes. Uh-huh. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. Yes. Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. Yep. All right. Yep. Uh-huh. Yep. All right. All right, bye. We got a hot tip on 2 grease monkeys living out on the edge of town. Punch it. Oh, yard sale. Do we have time for that?
Oh, Chief.
All right. And the doctor said, I don't know, I never saw the giraffe again.
Okay, Chief. What do you want me to do?
You just stay here and keep an eye on the situation. I'll go see what I can find out. Hey, buddy. What do you know about that rotary rockets launch last week?
I don't know nothing about no rocket crash.
I didn't say anything about a crash.
Well, I just assumed they always crash.
Ouch.
What's that smell?
Chief?
I think I smell a UFO. I've been there for every launch. I'm just waiting for the perfect launch with a perfect landing. But you people can't seem to make that happen.
Oh, no.
Why do you have to be so mean about it?
It's okay. He didn't mean it.
What happened to your clothes?
It's a long story. I'll tell you later.
Go ahead. Uh-huh. Yep. All right. Yeah. Okay. Yep. Uh-huh. Yes. Okay. Yep. Okay. Yep. Yes. All right. Bye.
Who was that, Chief?
Oh, wrong number.
I think we should call it a day, Chief.
Yeah, it's getting late. Let's head in. doctor said, I don't know, I never saw the polar bear again. All right, I'll see you tomorrow.
Chief, it's 3 in the morning.
Meet me at the lab. Right away.
All right. Whoa! Is this your basement? Mine just has a ping pong table. You ready to get started?
I guess so. Let's get it over with.
Look at the fins. And the parachute. Look at that. And the body tube. Look at all the damage. Look at the damage on the chest. Here's the flight computer.
Whoa. Wait a minute. Are you telling me that the flight computer and the battery were installed in the rocket hanging upside down? Now this may just be a crazy thought, but go with me on this. What if the battery got pulled out of the holder from the G-force at launch, which turned off the flight computer, so when the rocket reached apogee, the parachute did not eject, and the rocket came down and crashed into the ground?
Well, I'm glad we figured that one out, Chief. That was a tough one.
Yeah, maybe the next one will go better.